Key West, famous for its picturesque beaches, sunsets, conch fritters, roaming roosters, was home to Ernest Hemingway, key limes, even though they don't grow in Key West anymore. I've even been there. It's nice, it's hot, we had a great time. And it's home to my favourite American dessert, key lime pie. How you doing, guys? Happy 2021. I hope you are well. Jeez Louise, 2021. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm doing like a little small series of desserts. And I ain't got much of a sweet tooth, to be honest. There's only 3 or 4 desserts that I actually like. I can make them, but they just don't inspire me that much. So we're going to head over to America, which I am in America. But my all-time favourite American dessert, I've got a couple, but this is the one. This is my all-time favourite American dessert, and that is key lime pie. Absolutely beautiful. It's got a pop. It's got some nice texture. It's all about that graham cracker crust. It's all about that graham cracker crust. Graham cracker crust. When you put your spoon in there and you get some of that graham cracker and that key lime, it's just heaven. It really is, and it's citrusy, and I love that. It's from Key West. It's made with key limes. And if you can't get any key limes, just use regular limes, or you can use this. Hold on a minute. This. Nelly and Joe's, absolutely delicious. And I hear a lot of cooks say, don't use the juice. Absolutely utter bollocks. Use the juice, it's delicious. This is not an ad. But if you can't get this, just use regular limes. Then it's not really a key lime pie, is it? It's just a lime pie. But still get the same taste, delicious. Key limes are a bit more, tart, a bit more tarty, but they're delicious. So I'm going to show you how simple it is to make using this stuff. I've used whipped cream, which is my favourite. You can use meringue, which is nice, but whipped cream for me. I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way. I'm going to serve it the old-fashioned way. I could have deconstructed it, but no, I wanted to do it the proper way in a pie, like a pie. So we're going to head over to America, and I'm going to show you my favourite American dessert. Oh, and subscribe, like, do the old thingamajiggy. And I want to get to 100,000 subscribers. So that's my goal for 2021, to get 100,000 subscribers. I think I'm 4,000 off. I think I am. Anyway, so yeah, enjoy key lime pie. Thanks, guys. First, make the crust. Remember, it's all about the crust for a key lime pie. Add graham crackers to a bowl, followed by sugar, melted butter, and mix well. The mixture should have a consistency of wet sand. Here I'm using a 9.5-inch glass pie dish. Next, pour the mixture into the pie dish. Now, using your hands, evenly pack the mixture across the bottom and the side. I use the measuring cup to press everything down. Now bake for 10 minutes. Now let cool. For my pie, I'll be using Nelly and Joe's key lime juice. It's the best alternative if you can't find key limes. It's delicious and it's awesome. For the filling, add egg yolks to a bowl, followed by lime juice and sweetened condensed milk. Now mix until thick. Pour the filling on top of the crust. Give it a little shake. Now bake until the centre is set. The centre should still have some jiggle. Now place on a wire rack and cool for about 2 hours. To make this pie properly, you should refrigerate overnight. For the whipped cream, first make sure to chill your bowl and whisk. I put mine in the fridge for about 20 minutes. By doing this, it will thicken faster and increase the volume. Add heavy cream to a bowl, followed by powdered sugar and vanilla. I used a vanilla pod. Slice down the centre of the pod. Using the dull side of your knife, gently scrape out the seeds. If you can't find vanilla pods, use vanilla extract. Add to the bowl and whisk until stiff peaks. Serve with whipped cream and lime zest. So there you have it, my favourite American dessert. Thanks guys. Hello guys, thank you for making it to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, there's some videos here that you might like related to the video I've just done, or there might not be. But what I want you to do is subscribe, like the video, click that bloody bell. You'll be doing me a favour. So yeah, and enjoy some videos here. I've got a few videos up here. So just click on them and enjoy. Thanks guys.